a very big day.
It's a very big day.
It's a very big day. So we're going to go live straight to 1. So we are now live, Linda.
Okay.
I didn't even do a 3, 2, 1 countdown.
I know.
You know.
Luckily, I know you, so I'm pretty much ready most of the time.
Yes. We're filming this on this is actually Halloween, so.
Halloween, yes. And it's a special day today.
It is a special day, which is Halloween.
It's Halloween, and it's Joe's birthday.
Not only my birthday.
And Corey's birthday.
Man,
Happy
2
birthday,
birthdays.
Corey.
I'm wearing my Frankenstein Eddie Van Halen tribute shirt just for Halloween. So
awesome.
There you go. Today's topic for Halloween. It's got to be scary.
No, you know what?
It's not?
Well, you know what? It's kind of scary with what we've got going on right now because we're in the middle of flu season and we've got this pandemic on top of it. I have a lot of friends that are doctors and nurses and stuff, and they're starting to get really overwhelmed right now. So we've been teaching people about the immune system, how to strengthen it and stuff like that. So we're going to continue on that path today.
Okay.
And you know I'm all about the KISS, right? Keep it simple, Sarika. What is something very simple to do to support the immune system? Really easy, right? Every day you can do it. It makes a huge difference on so many levels. I love multitasking foods.
So?
My prop today, a bone.
This is, okay, got it. Told you this is a scary episode. I don't really think it's a real, I think it's like bone broth, or what do you say?
Exactly.
Yes.
Very good, Joe.
Man, I'm getting good at this.
Inside of here, and part of this is the most incredible healing food on the planet right now, especially for the immune system, because we know over 80% of our immune system surrounds the gut.
Okay.
Anything we do to support the gut supports the immune system. Something as simple as bone broth. It's a soup that's made with the bone still in it. A long time ago, my mother told me that the old stoves used to have a stock pot. So it was actually in the stove and there's a low flame on it all the time. They would put their bones and their meats and the ends of vegetables in there, and then they would just take the stock out and make food. Why is it so healing? Well, when you break down that bone, in the middle of it, inside the marrow there, we've got the good fat.
And so that's the key. It's the marrow. Okay, got it.
I mean, we've got the minerals in the bone, the magnesium, the calcium, and all that. So that's going to strengthen our bones. But it's also because of the cartilage that's on there too. It's going to help to heal the joints. The most important thing is that because of the amino acids in there, it's also going to help rebuild the lining of the gut. So right now we got this leaky gut stuff going on.
Yeah.
Leaky gut is caused by stress hormones, by chemicals, by medications, by the wrong foods, by sugar.
Of course.
Okay.
Man, that good old sugar.
I mean, you know me. I mean, I've been looking at the blood now for over 20 years, and I rarely would see leaky gut 20 years ago. Today, I see it in everybody.
Yeah. I remember, so as long as I've known you, you started this episode, 80% is around the gut, so that's what I learned way back when.
80% of the immune system. So anything you do to support the immune system, support the gut, supports the immune system.
So what's the best way to take this?
So the nice thing is that when you've got good bone broth, what happens? Like even if you cook a chicken, right, a whole chicken and stuff, there's that gel at the bottom. That's the collagen. That's where the healing stuff is. So a good bone broth is going to gel up when it gets cold. So you could buy different ones. I got this one at our local health food store. They've got it at Trader Joe's. They've got it everywhere now. But it specifically says bone broth.
Right.
And you want to make sure that it's from an organic, grass-fed, all right, because we don't want the chemicals in there and stuff. So the easiest thing to do, 1 cup a day. And what I like to do is I just add some bouillon to it. I just take like a half a teaspoon of bouillon, add it with my bone broth, and I'll just drink it like that. If I've got a little bit of time, then I'll add like one kind of a meat to it and one kind of a vegetable, make a nice little soup out of it. Nice to have maybe sometimes before you go to bed. It'll help you sleep.
Oh, no kidding. Okay.
Ladies, we all hear about the high hyaluronic acid that's great for the skin. It's in bone broth. So,
who would have known?
Brain, eyes, skin, joints, gut, immune system. The best multitasking food on the planet.
Well, there you go. Halloween episode. There it is. Frankenstein. All right, till next week. We'll see you then.
Take care.
Hello, Victoria here, the editor-in-chief for Healthy Nuts. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. And we'll see you next time.